Good morning, class 2. Hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. Today we are going to start the paragraph which is my favorite personality. So open your English grammar notebook, maintain your page, write CW, date which is Wednesday 23rd December 2020, write topic which is my favorite personality. Dear students, these are the key points of the paragraph, and with the help of these points, we will create a paragraph. First point is favorite personality. We will create first sentence, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is my favorite personality. We will write Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is my favorite personality. Now second point is founder. We will write he is the founder of our beloved country Pakistan. Now third point is born. We will write he was born in 25th December 1876 in Karachi. Now number fourth point is honest and hardworking. So we can create a sentence, he was very honest and hardworking. Now number fifth point is great leader. Yes, what we will write? We will write Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a great leader for the Muslims. Now next number sixth point is fought. We can create the sentence of fought. Quaid-e-Azam fought for Muslims. Quaid-e-Azam fought for Muslims. Seventh point is motto. Motto means saying that presents a certain philosophy. Dear students, are you know what was the motto of the Quaid-e-Azam? Yes, his motto was unity, faith and discipline. Unity means union or oneness. And faith means loyalty or trust. And discipline means bring in order. So, we will write a sentence of motto. His motto was unity, faith and discipline. Dear students, these are the traits of great nations. If we follow these traits, inshallah, we will be a great nation also. Now, next point is father of nation. Next point is father of nation. We can create a sentence, he was called the father of nation. Now, number ninth point is first governor. We will write he was the first governor general of Pakistan. He became the first governor general of Pakistan. Now, last point is died. When he was died, are you know? He was died in 11 September 1948. So, what we will write? We will write he was died in 11 September 1948. At the last we can write Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is my favorite personality and I like him very much. I hope you all are understood. Now, with the help of these points, you have to write a paragraph on your notebook in neat handwriting. Thanks, dear students, and Allah Hafiz.